Hey, what's up everybody? Want to take a quick minute to show you how to change the batteries in your garage door remotes, your gate remotes, any of your key fobs, that kind of thing. So hang tight and let me show you how it's done. Okay, we're going to start off with the simplest ones, like this one here for a gate remote. Most of the time this thing just pops off the front. Your battery's located right here. You can pop that puppy right out right there. Batteries Plus is a great place to get your batteries. Home Depot, Lowe's, that kind of thing. This Genie one here is the back side. It's the same basic principle. Break out something safe like a trusty buck knife. You know, push that thing out like that, and there you go. The common sizes are going to be the 2025 and the 2032. Obviously you want to pop that thing out before you go shopping, so you make sure you get the right battery. So the Lift Master is going to be a little bit different. Some will have a screw in the middle like this one. This one's got a screw right there. Some don't. This one here does not have one. So you want to go ahead and just take that screw out of there. Then you want to take your safety handy dandy buck knife, crack this thing open like a lobster shell, like that. Peel her open, and you'll see this one has one of those things that looks like a AAA battery, but it's not. Each one of these has a different number. Again, you'll want to make sure that you get the right number for your house. It is important that if you are a tenant in a home that you check these batteries and replace them before asking for garage door assistance. If a garage door company comes out to change batteries in your remote, then you would be reliable for it. But you're going to be liable for that. The owner's going to charge you for it. So keep that in mind. All right, there you go.